Tonight we are in Laganas, one of Europe's most visited summer spots in 2025. We're exploring the main town, top beaches, and budget-friendly tours. Stay until the end for travel tips. You can reach Zakynthos by plane or by ferry from Greece's Kyllini port. If you're in Kefalonia, take the ferry to Agios Nicholas port that is in north of Zakynthos. Just €6 for a 40-minute trip. Buses wait at the port to take you straight to the main town. We explored Kefalonia in our last video. Click to watch. Main bus station is just 10 minutes from the town center. Now we're in Zakynthos Town, the island's main city with about 16,000 people living here. Every year, more than 500,000 tourists come to visit. The town is full of nice streets, old buildings, and a busy waterfront. It's a great place to start exploring the island. Taking a walk to the marina, you'll see local desserts being made right in the open, fresh and sweet, perfect for a quick bite. All around, there are restaurants with sea views, cozy bars, and even luxury yachts parked just steps away. It's the perfect place to relax before the sun goes down. This is Dionysios Solomos Square, the main square of Zakynthos Town. In the center stands a statue of Dionysios Solomos, a famous poet from the island who wrote the Greek national anthem. Around the square you can visit the main library and the Byzantine Museum, which show the island's rich history and culture. As night begins to fall, we go deeper into the heart of Zakynthos Town. The main square comes alive, full of people walking, shopping, and enjoying the warm evening air. The narrow streets are full of local shops, souvenirs, and cafes. And when you look up, that's where the magic really starts. Rooftop bars open up, offering views over the lit-up town and sea. Music, lights, and a great atmosphere make this one of the best ways to enjoy a summer night on the island. After dinner at the restaurants, you should head up to one of the rooftop bars. From there, you can enjoy an amazing view of the town and the sea, and try a local cocktail made by some of the best bartenders in Zakynthos. After renting a car, we are driving to the Navagio viewpoint. It's about 33 kilometers away and takes around 35 minutes driving. From up there, we'll fly our drone to capture the iconic shipwreck. After Navagio, we're driving to the north of Zakynthos. Our first stop is Cape Skinari. Once there, we park the car and book tickets for the boat tour to the famous Blue Caves. If you don't have a car, don't worry. There are plenty of tour agencies all over the city. Most of them include transportation to the boat as part of the package, so you can easily join the tour without any hassle. Blue Caves are one of Zakynthos' most stunning natural wonders. The crystal clear water reflects the cave walls in beautiful shades of blue, making it a perfect spot for photos and swimming. The boat ride itself is relaxing and gives you amazing views of the coastline. This tour is a must when visiting Zakynthos, especially if you want to see the island's incredible nature from the sea. Now we're driving to some of the most amazing beaches of Zakynthos, Kremidi Beach, a peaceful spot known for its clear waters and natural beauty. Next we visit Makris Gialos Beach, popular for its soft sand and calm sea, perfect for swimming and relaxing. Then we head to Xigia Beach, famous for its unique sulfur springs that are said to have healing properties. After that comes Alykes Beach, a great place to enjoy both the sea and nearby cafes. Finally, we stop at Amoudi Beach, a quiet and beautiful cove ideal for swimming away from the crowds. Each beach offers something special, making Zakynthos a paradise for beach lovers. Night has come and now we are in Laganas. Laganas is about 10 kilometers from Zakynthos Town, just a 15-minute drive. One of Europe's most famous and crowded tourist destinations for nightlife. Every year, over 150,000 visitors come here, mostly young travelers from the UK, Germany, and other parts of Europe, all looking for sun, parties, and fun. Laganas started as a small fishing village but quickly grew into a top summer hotspot. The town's population is about 6,500 people, but during the summer it feels much busier with tourists. Next, we're visiting Agios Sostis and the beautiful Cameo Island, just a short walk across a wooden bridge. From here, you can book boat tours to explore Marathonisi, Turtle Island, the Keri Caves, and the famous Mizithres rocks. Many local tour agencies offer half-day trips, and if you don't have a car, most include hotel pickup. It's one of the best ways to see Zakynthos from the sea, and maybe spot a sea turtle along the way. Cameo was separated from the mainland after an earthquake and is now a peaceful private island known for its clear waters and beach bar, perfect for relaxing and taking photos. Our next stop is Keri, a traditional mountain village located about 20 kilometers from Zakynthos Town, around 30 minutes by car. The village is quiet and full of charm, with stone houses, small restaurants, and beautiful views of the Ionian Sea. Our last destination is the Mizithres viewpoint, one of the most breathtaking spots in Zakynthos. It's about 5 kilometers from Keri Village, just a 15-minute drive through narrow mountain roads. From the top, you'll see 2 massive white rock formations rising from the deep blue sea, surrounded by cliffs and bright turquoise water. It's perfect for drone shots, stunning photos, or simply enjoying one of the island's best sunset views. If you like this video, follow us to our next destination with many tips.